School Primary Wing teachers led by Flight Commander Miss Malati with bright eyes, steady steps and hearts full of love for India. They remind us that patriotism blooms from a young age. Each step they take reflects their commitment not only to education but also to building responsible patriotic citizens for tomorrow. Led by Flight Commander Miss Febita with perfect coordinations and synchronized steps. Today, they march not just as teachers but as role models, showing that discipline and love for the nation go hand in hand. Dear audience, please cheer them as this is the first time they are stepping on. Next, we welcome the senior wing of CMR High School teachers, led by Flight Commander Miss Nilima. Years of training, determination and leadership shine in their confident strides. They march not just with their feet but with pride in their hearts. Blue is not just a color today, it is the soul of the Indian flag, representing truth, justice and perseverance. National Green Corps, NGC volunteers led by Flight Commander Ms. Srilata, champions of a greener tomorrow. With every step they spread the message of sustainability, love for nature and environmental responsibility. Alpha National Cadet Corps, NCC led by Flight Commander Ms. Rani, the youngest yet the most enthusiastic members of the NCC family. Their energy, zeal and dedication today are the promise of a stronger tomorrow for our nation. With every synchronized step, they carry the promise of a stronger, braver and more united India. Following them, with equal grace and determination, are brave NCC cadets led by Flight Commander Ms. Krishna Veni, a fine blend of confidence and responsibility, ready to take the mantle of leadership in the future. Marching in perfect harmony, they remind us that freedom is not just a gift, it's a responsibility, and they are ready to shoulder it with honor. Give a big round of applause, dear audience. Coming, marching with pride, discipline and dedication. Here comes the true embodiment of our nation, Charlie NCC cadets led by Flight Commander Ms. Purna, the pride of our nation, walking in step with honor and commitment. Their crisp uniforms and sharp salutes remind us of our brave soldiers and the strength of India's future. Let's salute our mentors, our green soldiers and our cadets as they march ahead with unity and pride.
A very good morning to one and all. I am Feha.
And I am Tanya.
We wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Today we are here to remember our freedom fighters and celebrate our country.
Let's start our program with a Telugu speech that will tell us more about our history and why we should value our freedom.
So let's welcome Benny Shanvik from grade 5 to deliver a speech in Telugu.
Start.
శుభోదయం. నా పేరు బెన్నీ షాన్విక్. నేను 5వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. వేదికలు అలంకరించిన పెద్దలకి ఉపాధ్యాయులకు నమస్సుమాంజలిలు. అందరికీ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈరోజు 79వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ సందర్భంగా కాసేపు మీతో ముచ్చటించడానికి మీ ముందుకు వచ్చాను. 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న భారతదేశానికి బ్రిటిష్ పాలన నుండి విముక్తి లభించింది. దీనికోసం ఎందరో వీరులు తమ ప్రాణాలు త్యాగం చేశారు. వారి త్యాగాల వలనే ఈ మన స్వాతంత్రం. ఈరోజు వారిని స్మరించుకోవటం మనందరి బాధ్యత. స్వాతంత్ర్యం కోసం పోరాడిన వారిలో అల్లూరి సీతారామరాజు, ఉయ్యాలవాడ నరసింహారెడ్డి, పింగళి వెంకయ్య గారు, భోగరాజు, పట్టాభి సీతారామయ్య, దుర్గాబాయి దేశ్ముఖ్, సరోజినీ నాయుడు ఇలా ఎందరెందరో మన దేశం కోసం మన తెలుగు రాష్ట్రాల నుంచే కాక ఇతర రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి వారి ధైర్య సాహసాలతో ప్రాణ త్యాగాలతో బ్రిటిష్ వారి వెన్నులో వణుకు పుట్టించి వారిని మన దేశం నుంచి వెళ్ళిపోయేలాగా చేశారు. ఇన్నేళ్ల మన స్వాతంత్ర భారతావనిలో అన్ని రంగాలలో మనం అభివృద్ధి సాధించామని చెప్పవచ్చు. అయినప్పటికీ మన భారతదేశంలో అనేక జాతులు, మతాలు, ప్రాంతీయ భేదాలు కలిగిన భిన్నత్వంలో ఏకత్వంగా ప్రజలంతా కలిసికట్టుగా సమైక్యతతో మన భారతదేశం అన్ని రంగాలలో మరింత అభివృద్ధిని సాధించేట్లు కలిసికట్టుగా కృషి చేయాలి. అందరికీ మరోసారి స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలుపుకుంటూ ధన్యవాదాలు.
Thank you.
Today, we have gathered here to celebrate our Independence Day, a day that fills our hearts with pride and gratitude. On this day, in 1947, our freedom fighters fought and gave their lives so that we could live with independence and dignity. It is a reminder that we must cherish and protect the freedom that we have inherited. Because India is a young country. Over 60% of our population is under the age of 35. We, the youth, are the driving force of tomorrow. The dreams that we chase today shape the India of the next century. With courage, creativity, and compassion, we can make our nation stronger in every field, from arts to entrepreneurship, from science to sports. India's achievements in sports has shown the world that India's sporting talent has no boundaries. But sports in India is not just about medals. It is a way to unite us. Whether it is cricket in the gullies, football in the street, or kabaddi in the villages, when India plays, a billion hearts beat as one, without any differences of religion, region, or language. India's journey in space science has soared to new heights, marked by remarkable accomplishments, from launching our first satellite Aryabhatta in 1975 to the historic success of Chandrayaan-3, when India became the first country to land on Moon's South Pole, opening new doors for scientific exploration. Mission Mangal, which made India the first Asian country to reach Mars and the first country in the entire world to do it at its maiden attempt. And it is surprising that the cost of this mission was lower than many Hollywood movies. Yes, and in 2025, Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla of the Indian Air Force became the first Indian to reach ISS, International Space Station. During his 18-day mission, he carried out over 60 experiments. His mission was a stepping stone for the upcoming Gaganyaan program, which will send Indian astronauts to space in Indian spacecrafts. All these accomplishments prove that India doesn't just follow the stars, we reach for them. Operation Sindoor. On 22nd April in Pahalgam, the merciless killing of our innocent citizens on the basis of religion in front of their family and their children was a very gruesome phase of cruelty and terror. It was a disgusting attempt to break the harmony and unity of our country. But after this terrorist attack, all the citizens of our country, every political party, every community, every class, every religion, our entire nation stood together for strict action to be taken against terrorism, for which our Honorable Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi ji, launched Operation Sindoor. In Operation Sindoor, our Indian forces attacked terror hideouts and the training centers with precision, showing that India stands with humanity. But let me tell you, Operation Sindoor was not just an ordinary mission. It was the reflection of the feelings of millions of people of our country. And today, every single terrorist, every terror organization knows the consequence of trying to wipe out the Sindoors of our daughters, our mothers, and our sisters. But let me tell you, Independence Day is not only about celebrating the past, it's about remembering and shaping the future. Because true independence is only when every citizen of our country is respected, every child is educated, every woman is safe, and every corner of our country is free from discrimination and poverty. In the 78 years of independence, India has transformed into the fourth largest economy in the world. We stand as the world's largest democracy. We are among the top producers of food grains, feeding millions. Our culture inspires innovation. Our entrepreneurs give employment to thousands of people. Whether it is winning the Olympic medals, becoming a voice for peace in the UN, United Nations, or standing up for humanity, India stands tall at the global stage. But Independence Day is about shaping the future because freedom is not free, it comes with responsibility. So, on this day, let us all salute the sacrifices of our heroes and commit ourselves to building a stronger, brighter India together. Thank you, Jai Hind. मेरा भारत महान।
आज के इस पावन अवसर पर उपस्थित हमारे सम्मानीय मुख्य अतिथि महोदय, विद्यालय के प्रेरणा स्रोत निदेशक महोदय, हमारे आदरणीय शिक्षक शिक्षिकागण, हमारी मार्गदर्शिका प्रधान अध्यापिका जी, अभिभावक एवं मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, आप सभी का हृदय से स्वागत करता हूं। आज का दिन हम सभी भारतीयों के लिए गर्व और खुशी का दिन है। यह सिर्फ बल्कि राष्ट्रीय पर्व नहीं बल्कि एक भावना है, वह भावना जो हमारे जड़ों को जोड़ती है, वह भावना जो हमें कहने पर मजबूर करती है, मुझे मेरे भारत पर गर्व है। 15 अगस्त 1947 ये सिर्फ स्वतंत्रता की तारीख नहीं बल्कि करोड़ों भारतीयों के सपनों की जीत का दिन है। वो जीत जो महात्मा गांधी का सत्याग्रह, सुभाष चंद्र बोस का साहस, भगत सिंह और उनके साथियों का बलिदान और असंख्य अनाम नायकों की कुर्बानियों से मिली है। दोस्तों, आज हम खुले आसमान के नीचे तिरंगे के साए में खड़े हैं तो हमें याद रखना होगा, आज़ादी सिर्फ मिलने की चीज़ नहीं, इसे संभालना और निभाना भी हमारी जिम्मेदारी है। 1947 में हमारी चुनौती थी विदेशी शासन से मुक्ति, पर आज हमारी कई नई चुनौतियां हैं। हमें शिक्षा को हर घर तक पहुंचाना है, हमें ज्ञान और तकनीक का इस्तेमाल देश की तरक्की के लिए करना है, हमें जाति और धर्म और भाषा से ऊपर उठकर एकता बनाए रखना है, हमें पर्यावरण को भी बचाना है ताकि आने वाली पीढ़ियां भी हरी भरी धरती देख सके। आज हमारा भारत तेजी से आगे बढ़ रहा है, चांद पर पहुंच चुका है, डिजिटल युग में आगे बढ़ रहा है और दुनिया में सबसे तेजी से बढ़ती अर्थव्यवस्था बन रहा है। आज समस्त विश्व में चौथे स्थान पर है, खेलों में नए कीर्तिमान बना रहा है। ये प्रगति तभी सार्थक होगी जब इसका लाभ सभी नागरिकों तक पहुंचे। हमारे पास किताब भी हो, हुनर भी हो और दिल में देशभक्ति का जज्बा भी हो। मेरे प्यारे सहपाठियों, हम ही वह पीढ़ी है जो कल का भारत बनाएंगे। हम आज मेहनत करेंगे, पढ़ेंगे और देश के लिए कुछ करने का सपना देखेंगे और आने वाला भारत महान होगा। आइए इस पावन दिन पर हम संकल्प ले, हम अपने देश की इज्जत और आज़ादी की रक्षा करेंगे, हम अपने कर्तव्यों को निभाएंगे और ऐसा भारत बनाएंगे कि आने वाली पीढ़ियां गर्व करेगी। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
हैं कसम इस माटी की, इस पे जान लुटा देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं। हम एक हैं, एक रहेंगे, ना बटे हैं ना बटने देंगे। हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से हैं, हम भारत के हैं, हम भारत से
you all a happy Independence Day. And today we are celebrating 79th Independence Day. You all know very well. So our ancestors achieved this independence. Now it is our duty to continue this legacy to the future generation. So now everybody is responsible to take forward to the future generation this freedom. And on this occasion, I would like to give 3 pieces of advice. So first of all, always for the youth I am giving advice, you focus on your goal. If you focus on your goal, definitely you will face some obstacles. So don't focus on obstacles. You target, you focus on towards your goal. So definitely you will be successful. And also, there is no substitute for hard work. You have to believe in hard work, work hard to get the success. And also be positive. Always think positive. So if you, 3 things if you follow in your life, definitely you will be successful, professional. So today, teachers, they have done excellent work. Excellent, all teachers, they have done March Past very well.
Vice principals, the teachers, parents, and my lovely children, students today. So, this to bring to the notice of the parents, you must have observed our teachers performing the parade. I don't think in any school when you have studied or in future you are going to see. This is just to show that our teachers not only have brains, they have the physical fitness also. And I heartily congratulations to all the teachers for your best, the putting up the best show. It will be a record in the history of the schools. And dear parents, please, this will be uploaded in the YouTube. We are proud to do this. So please encourage our teachers. They will give their best, whatever they have, the knowledge that they have to transfer to the students. And same way. And the one more thing I would like to highlight here. So we had 3 contingents, just to know all the children and parents. One is from primary, one is from CMR High School, and another one is from CMR International School. So generally all other teachers, they thought, that CMR High School, a little bit senior teachers, so they may not be able to do the best. And we announced in advance that one of the contingent will be selected as the best. And they will be awarded, rewarded, or they may, reward to other teachers. So now you have seen the result. So don't take senior citizens lightly. Okay. And again, congratulations to all the high school team. So it's not the age, it's the will. It's what zeal, you want to do. You can do it. Age is just a number. So really we are proud of all other, both the 3 contingents, they did equally almost. There are few, minor mistakes that I will share with you later on. Anyhow, congratulations once again. And the speeches given by our students, all the parents must have seen. The Telugu speech was given by Mr. Benny. He is only 5th class student. And what we wanted that, without seeing a paper, they have to give a speech spontaneously. And we congratulate that all the, whoever has given speeches, please come on to the dais. All the 3 children. And the next in Hindi, the speech was given by Mr. Nazruddin. It was exceptional. Really the way how he gave the speech, where is the Nazruddin? Very good. Please keep it up. So the language, the body language, whatever the meaning, the full message was the best. And next the last, that in English, Miss Anjali Jha. See the way how they spoke there with confidence, with the knowledge what is going on in the society. So we have to appreciate them. I ask please the parents and all students once again clap for them. They need very good appreciation. Thank you. Hope we will continue the show every occasion. Now we are going to have the Children's Day, Teacher Day, again Republic Day. There are so many celebrations. I want the parents must be happy. They should feel happy. That is our motto. Thank you once again on the occasion of 79th Independence Day. All the best.
Wish you all happy 79th Independence Day. As we have gathered here to celebrate and breathe the freedom that our freedom fighters have given us today, let us once again close our eyes and pay tribute to all the freedom fighters who had struggled and fought for what we are enjoying today. We are really honored and grateful and privileged to breathe the freedom air. So as we stand here today, let us all be proud to be Indians. As proud Indians, I request all the students, parents and teachers to stand, and after listening to all the inspirational messages, under the flag, as the tricolor flag is flying high, let us all as Indians take a pledge. So can I request all of you to stand and repeat the pledge after me. Stretch your right hand. On this momentous occasion, we stand beneath our national flag, not only to celebrate freedom, but also pledge to uphold the values it represents.
Vande Mataram Sujalam Sufanam Malayaj Sheetalam Shasya Shamana Mataram Vande Mataram Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayamini Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhini Suhasini Sumadhura Bhashini.
Gratitude. I am Traksha, head girl of CMR International School, standing before you to propose the word of thanks. On this auspicious occasion of Independence Day, today we celebrate the 79th year of our freedom, a freedom that is hardened and precious. First and foremost, I would like to express a sincere gratitude to our chief guest, Mr. Gopal Reddy sir, for gracing this event with your presence. Your words has inspired us all to work towards the better and brighter future of the nation. We are truly indebted to our director sir, Mr. S. Reddy sir, principal and vice principals for the constant guidance and support in organizing this celebration. We also extend a heartfelt thanks to all our teachers and fellow students who made this event successful. Your dedication and efforts are truly commendable. Your vibrant displays of patriotism and cultural heritage made this day truly memorable. As we are celebrating our Independence Day, let us remember the sacrifices made by our freedom fighters and dedicate ourselves to build strong and more prosperous India. Once again, thank you for making this Independence Day a grand success. Let us all work together to make our nation proud. Happy Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.